Hey, this is a fire alarm tour of McDonald's. See, we got a spectral alert. Looks like a spectral alert horn strobe. And then over here, we have a Firelight BG12. Then up there, we have a ceiling mounted spectral alert horn strobe. The Firelight BG12. And then over here, we got a camera. And there's another camera, and another camera. Then let's go into the restroom, into the men's restroom. But in here, that is a spectral alert strobe, not a horn strobe. Then over here, they look like Honeywell horns, I believe. I'm not sure what alarm that is. Anyway, bye.